Yo, what's up? It's your boy Matt, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to learn about ellipses. So, what is an ellipsis? Basically, an ellipsis is the omission from a sentence or other construction of one or more words that would complete or clarify the construction, as the omission of who are, while I am, or while we are. When you use it in a sentence, you usually use it to pause or silence in text. One of the most common types of ellipses is the three dots after a sentence, such as you went to the restaurant and. So, a little bit more about ellipses. They are used in omission of unnecessary information. It replaces text that doesn't need to be present. It shortens the text without changing the meaning, sort of like a substitution in a way. So another example again is the three dots. Or not only can you use the three dots, you can use as well as a dash. So some examples here I have, so what happened? And in there you can see the three dots, which is the ellipses. I'm not sure that's true. Sure. But I thought we were meeting on Tuesday. And of course, my favorite prime example by Patrick Starr is, Mr. Teacher Person, I think I need help. So when authors like to use ellipses, they use them in their creative works. So they may use them in their stories to build tension, convey that the speaker is trailed off, or convey that the thought is unfinished. So when you see it in an article of some sort, or any story, if any type of person is talking and they start rambling off, they'll start doing dot 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 and it may go into a thought that the first person speaker is thinking, or that the thought is unfinished or cut off. Alright, so which sounds better? So here I have two examples of the same sentence. One contains the ellipses and one does not. First one is, I will go to the library, which is not that far from me, and get some books. So there you do not see ellipses. You can see how it contains too much information and you wouldn't really need it in a quote. So you'd cut it off with the ellipses by saying, I will go to the library and get some books. And see in there you have the ellipses, takes out the unwanted information, and it helps just making the sentence more fluent and helping the fluency and the quote more better. So just repeating what I just said, I'll go to the library and get some books, and there you can see the ellipses, and we removed which is not that far from me. It's unnecessary because it just doesn't really fit with the rest of the quote. It's just information that's not really needed to be known. And just a quick review, an ellipsis is a way to omit information that helps the sentence become more fluent, make the sentence overall well structured. Just a quick review of the definition. And when you use it in an example, so when you use the ellipses, remember, always use it when a quote contains more information needed, or to compact the quote and only show the parts that you need. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll post videos once a week. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram. Got my tag right there, Matthew.s_. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next episode.